All right, guys, I am here at Finnish Brutality in Finland, very kindly sponsored by Varustelika and Sako, and Mike and Chap from Bloke on the Range decided it'd be fun to see if their bolt-action rifles will work in the snow, which means, of course, I have to see if my bolt-action rifle will work in the snow. Mine was actually made by Sako, our match sponsor, back in 1944. So I have engaged the safety. I've got 5 rounds in this. We'll see if I can fire those, which shouldn't give me any problems whatsoever, and we'll periodically get this nasty and snowy. I am going to be careful not to get the muzzle dumped in the snow because I don't want to pack any into the barrel. But then we'll go ahead and reload it and shoot some more if I can. So if we are not taking care when properly maneuvering, you can get a little snow in there. There we go. You guys have ears? Yeah. I missed because my rear sight was full of snow, which, if you go over to Bloke on the Range and check out their video, you will notice that they both have aperture sights and have substantially more trouble with snow packing full in those apertures than I do. So I have now forgotten that I have the action open here. Oh my goodness. All right, that's not good. All right, and I have packed snow right up into the chamber. Fortunately, my rifle comes with a cleaning rod that, if my fingers are not too frozen, I can take out and use to clear the chamber. Fingers are pretty darn cold. And so the threading on this cleaning rod is really long to make sure that it doesn't fall out under recoil, which is good, but come on, there we go. We don't want to do this from the muzzle, but I don't want to push my snow. There we go. Got a nice lump of snow out. Now, let's see if we can reload this thing. Nice frozen finger reload here as well. Come on. Yes! Success! Ah! I think I shot through a snowbank there. Let's try a little higher up. There we go. All right. So, the Mosin, at least the Finnish Mosin, works quite nicely in the snow. It's got a nice deep chamber in it up here, so if you do pack it full of snow, you're going to have to do something to clean it out, but you've got a cleaning rod right there. I really like this rifle. Russian early production Mosins, maybe not so much. The Finnish rifles, especially the M39, are really the Cadillacs of this type. So a big thanks to Varstalika for hosting Finnish Brutality, and a big thanks to Sako for hosting the match and making my very fine rifle, which when they made it, their last thought was probably that it would go to some goofball in the United States. But if you enjoyed this, definitely head over to Bloke on the Range and check out their video doing the same sort of nasty things to a No. 4 MkI Enfield and a pre-war Moss 36. Thanks to you guys, Bloke and Chap, for forcing me to do this. I now cannot feel my fingertips, so we're going to call it good. Thanks for watching.